What do I do for a living? I am an engineer. I am a mechanical engineer, and I work in Langford, actually.
How can we solve any environmental problem?
How can we solve? Do you have maybe one? Do you have like one specific environmental problem, maybe that I could? Because that's a big topic.
Oil spill?
Oil spills. That's a good one. So one thing we could do is rely less on oil, and so if we use other sorts of energies like solar or geothermal, so energy from the ground, like from heat from the ground, or if we use wind power, that would help. Not drill in the ocean or things like that, but I think the biggest would be to just rely less.
Can we just jump right here?
Or jump right there. Okay. Pardon me? How can you guys help? You guys can help by... So there's different ways you guys can help. You guys could do things that that would be like personal choices, things like not littering. If you're choosing clothes to wear, you know, choose clothes that maybe this is an environment, but choosing clothes that aren't, say, maybe made in sweatshops by other children. You could also help by influencing your parents and the things your parents buy or the cars that they drive, things like that. Yeah. I think the biggest way I help is the company I work for. We help people build buildings that do heating and cooling renewable. So half of all the energy, almost half of all the energy that this school would use is just to keep you guys warm or to keep you cool when it's really hot and sunny. And so we do projects where we say, take heat from the ground to then make you guys warm. And although the ground seems cold, we can take heat from it. Or we take heat from the sun and then use that to heat the space. And so that helps reduce our reliance on, say, natural gas or oil. Yep.
Why are you here? What are you here for?
I'm here to answer your questions. Next question.
Why do you do these things?
What kind of things?
Like, why do you want to help the earth?
Why do I want to help the earth? The biggest reason I want to help the earth is because I love the environment. And I grew up in British Columbia, and I love to go hiking, and I love to use the ocean to go kayaking. And I've seen what can happen when things get polluted, when the environment is destroyed, and so I want to preserve that. Yeah.
How are you going to raise awareness?
I'm going to raise awareness. I'll start by talking to you guys, and hopefully, if I can help you guys get excited about things like the environment, then you will raise the awareness for me. You guys as 6th graders, for sure, can help. And one way could be doing, say, a fundraiser for a charity, or if you guys know of international needs, say, there's countries that don't have water that need wells, or there's other countries where, say, the children are working in sweatshops, things like that. You guys could raise awareness in your community. You could so do all sorts of different things. You could put on skits. You could put on art shows. You could do all sorts of stuff. So yeah, there's lots of ways you guys can help. I love working at my job because the environment is a huge passion of mine, and so I get to learn a lot, which I love to do, and I love to know that I'm helping to make a positive impact on the planet.
What would you like to do to help Japan?
To help Japan? Ooh, that's a good one. I think it would be awesome to actually go to Japan, and because I'm an engineer, to help with the physical rebuilding of some of the infrastructure. I don't know if I will get to do that, but that would be awesome. And for me, that's what I would like to do to help. Yeah.
What's a more recent innovation that has come out of the energy efficient school buildings or the buildings that you're building that are energy efficient, right?
Yeah.
What's one of the newer innovations that you're seeing?